I'm so excited. I've got a new box of SimplyThick. First, you just cut open your box, and then you pull out your pump. Okay, so here's the most important thing. Do not take my dirty, filthy hand and touch this shaft when it's out of the bag. That is the key because my hands are dirty. Even if I have just washed them, even whatever. Hands are where we're going to get the cross-contamination. We're going to get the bacteria or things like that. And if you put that in the bottle of the gel, that's when you're going to get some spoilage. We just take it out. We take off this lid. Then we have the lift and peel. See, this one just happened to come off very easily. Now, this is my trick. I get this open, but I don't touch that shaft. I feed the bag back down, and then I put it in, and no hand has ever touched that shaft. And the reason is to prevent cross-contamination, to make it so that we don't get anything growing in there. Then when you put the lid on, now the next part is very simple. You just do about 4 pumps, and it will prime, and it's ready to go and ready to use. That's all there is. When you get your new bottle of SimplyThick, just go ahead and insert that pump, but just make sure you don't touch it with your hands. Anyways, please like and follow for more great information on SimplyThick, the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative, and great videos just like this. Thank you.